I think I have found for you the perfect Etsy niche. Hear me out. AI anime phone cases. Laptop sleeves, bags, whatever. I'm gonna go over how to make this with you, but first let's look at some search results. So first I'm going to type in anime. So as we can see here, searches green, average clicks green, CTR 123%. The only thing that's working against us is this right here, Etsy competition. What we would like to see is a bunch of green and low competition. Now, if I type in phone case, it's the same thing. Green, green, green. Oh my gosh, there's so many people selling this. But if I type in anime phone case, we have green, 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 yellow. So we're getting way closer to something that has a huge potential to sell. So I've got my canvas right here. The aspect ratio that you're going to want to use, the canvas size is going to be 2.93 inches by 6.1 inches. And so I'm going to click on this and then I'm going to go to Kittl AI and then we're just going to try out a prompt here. I'm going to say a woman walking around a market during golden hour with a black cat. And then we're gonna choose our anime style right here, that's crucial. And then I'm gonna do 9:16 for the aspect ratio. And then we're gonna generate our image and see what we get. So already off the bat, this is fire. So we're just gonna scale this up and it's kind of like, boom, there's your phone case. I mean, like there's like 30 seconds. There's an anime phone case with high ranking in Etsy and low competition. And you can easily just generate 30 of these and then go put your listings up and just let them fly. So the thing that you may run into with something like a laptop sleeve or something like that is low resolution. It's still going to look pretty good, but I mean, laptop sleeves, depending upon what size laptop you have, can get pretty big. So we do have the AI image upscaler, and this is going to enhance and upscale your image to a higher pixel count. So I've used my image upscaler here. So now when I size this up, it's basically got twice the amount of pixels. Let's try another prompt. Let's try black cat walking in a downtown area during, let's spell that correctly, the night. Same thing, 9:16, generate image. And this is so cool. I mean, I can just scale this up, make sure that where my cat is, and boom, like you've got a phone case. That is a phone case already there, ready to go for you. If you don't like this generation, you can just generate another one and see what it looks like. Look at this guy. He's up to something. The way that it caught the reflection and everything is just absolutely excellent. I'm gonna use the upscaler on this one, and this is awesome. I mean, the quality of this is just amazing. I'm not an illustrator, and I would never be able to do this, but with this tool, I can. And more importantly, you can. Well, that's all for today's video. Just try this out. Go make some money. You could put this on any product you could think of, on Printify, on Printful, phone cases, bags, mugs, little tote bags, laptop cases, iPad cases. You could even take the same design and just scale it up and put it on multiple things and have a whole site centered around anime art products. If you have not tried Kittl yet, I have a percentage off a pro plan for you with a promo code in the description. So go check that out. Leave a comment while you're down there, like this video and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.